rating everything we ate at Crumbl. I've been wanting to try these cookies for the longest time, so I'm glad I can finally try them out. I wanted to try out as many flavors as I could. Got a box of minis, and you get 3 mini Crumbl cookies. First, we got the classic milk chocolate chip. This was okay. A little disclaimer, I don't really have a sweet tooth. Nothing really special, but it was pretty decent. Next is their churro cookie. The icing on top had a very intense cinnamon flavor. This was really sweet and honestly too sweet for me. Last is the Benson Boons Moonbeam ice cream cookie. This one was my favorite out of the 3. It has dark chocolate, so it was a good balance. Overall, it was pretty mid, though I want to give it another chance and try other flavors. Let me know which one I should get next.